You're doing things every single day that are literally destroying your face. Your jawline's disappearing, your eyes look tired, and your skin's getting worse, and you don't even realize why. But here's the truth. Your face isn't genetically doomed. You're just sabotaging it with tiny, daily habits that kill your Godface potential. In this video, I'll expose 6 things you need to stop doing immediately, and how to fix them before it's too late. Let's get into it. Mouth breathing ruins your facial structure faster than almost anything else. It elongates your face, weakens your jawline, and gives you that lifeless, tired look. It also messes with oxygen flow, raising crow, and killing your energy levels. Breathe through your nose. Always tape your mouth at night if you have to. Within weeks, your face starts to shift. Sharper jawline, better symmetry, and tighter skin. Show before, after visual cue of jawline definition. Every time you hunch over your phone, your chin tucks back and your jawline disappears. You look submissive, low status, and weak. Chronic slouching even causes your facial muscles to sag downward, making you look older. Keep your neck aligned and shoulders back. Use a posture corrector or a standing desk. I've linked the posture band I recommend down in the description. It's a total game changer. Most guys are wrecking their skin barrier by chasing miracle products, over exfoliating, layering 5 serums, and using alcohol-based toners kill your natural oils, leading to breakouts and dull, flaky skin. Simplify. A gentle cleanser, a quality moisturizer, and sunscreen, and that's it. You don't need fancy chemicals. The sick industry wants you to believe you're broken so they can sell more products. Don't fall for it. Every night you stay up scrolling, your face in flames, dark circles, dull eyes, and low testosterone, all from bad sleep. Blue light destroys your melatonin and accelerates facial aging. Sleep 7-8 hours minimum. Cut screens 1 hour before bed and use a sleep mask or blackout curtains. Your eyes will brighten, your skin tightens, and your entire face will look more awake. Show visual cue, tired versus rested face comparison. You clench your jaw, frown, or raise your brows without realizing it. All day long, that constant tension leads to asymmetry, wrinkles, and angry-looking eyes. Become aware of your face. Relax your jaw, drop your tongue, and stop overexpressing. Practice neutral resting posture. The calm, confident, stoic. A relaxed face projects power. Most men destroy their potential before they even start because they tell themselves, I can't change my face. That mindset kills effort, consistency, and growth. The truth? Even if you can't change bone structure overnight, you can change appearance, posture, energy, and presence. Stop blaming genetics, Greg. Start fixing habits. The Godface isn't born. It's built through discipline. Every rep in the gym, every night of good sleep, every meal you clean up, let it compounds. This is your face. Build it like your legacy. If you actually want to look better, stop doing these 6 things right now. Start today. Track your progress. And if you want my full Looksmaxx checklist and the tools I personally recommend, check the links in the description. Make sure to subscribe, because the next video could be the one that finally unlocks your true potential.